Welcome to our online Japanese language course. I am Ayana Okamoto, a Japanese tutor with over 10 years of experience teaching Japanese. In this course, Japanese phrases for dating and relationship, finding love in Japan, 10 steps. You will learn practical phrases and vocabulary related to relationship, dating, and Japanese culture. The course is designed for beginners to pre-intermediate level learners. We will cover formal and informal expressions that can be used in various relationship contexts. As you progress, you will gain a deeper understanding of Japanese culture. Whether you want to meet new people, navigate romantic relationship with Japanese partners, or simply explore Japanese culture, this course will equip you with effective communication tools. Through interactive exercise and engaging videos, you will develop your speaking, listening, and reading skills. The contents include romanized text, make it accessible to those who haven't learned Japanese characters yet. While I'm not a relationship expert, I will guide you through grammar and commonly used phrases. If you have any questions about the Japanese language, feel free to ask in the Q&A section. I'm excited to have you join this journey of life and language learning. Let's explore the beauty of connecting Japanese people together. Please enroll now and get started to this exciting adventure together. 始めましょう。